Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you an easy way to draw a giraffe. So let's get started. First, draw a small oval shape. Now, here let's draw a big oval. From here, draw an upside down U, and for the neck, draw two parallel lines. Now let's draw the horns. Ears. Now let's draw the tail. And now let's draw the legs. Now let's draw the eyes. For that, draw two dots and two small dots for the nostrils and the mouth. Now let's draw the spots. Now let's color this. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.